Hi, hello, and how do you do? I'm Rochelle, welcoming you back to the basement. All right, first things first is announcing last week's video winner. We only had one participant who follows directions, and that YouTuber's name is Dirtnap. I was really confused because I went to go make sure I knew who the commenter was, and on my end of things, the comment was gone. Everyone else can apparently still see it. I would be saying to claim your prize, I need you to go to my Instagram and send me a message there at Hippie Hobbies Around Wheatland. But since I know you, I know where to find you. He will be winning that dress. We do have another giveaway at the end of this episode, so either hang on till then, or go ahead and fast forward if you don't want to see what this video is. Alright, so as you can tell, we moved this party to the bedroom. A lot happened since the last take. Even though I said I could track Dirtnap down, he apparently really wanted his dress and came and got it. So, excuse me. So here is our winner from last week. He's gonna have to learn how to sit like a lady. This week, I am gonna attempt to put together a shoe rack from Wish. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what we got. We got this thing. Oh, it's not just one big thing. I thought it was. Oh, directions! And they're in English. Oh my goodness. Yay. Thank you, Wish. Shoe cabinet installation instructions. Before installing using the product, please read these instructions carefully. That's what I'm doing. Oh good, there's no toxic substances. Do not touch the cut surface of the steel pipe. What does that mean? This is gonna be interesting. I already lost the pipe. This is apparently what I gotta do first. I have a long tube. I need 2 long tubes. I have 2 long tubes. T-joint. 2 of these. A middle tube. Alright, we got these ones, and these ones. So, I'm gonna assume this one is the middle tube. I dropped it. Just like I dropped my phone earlier. How do we test a microphone? Well, I guess I'm gonna set my phone here. Test it. Oh no! Yeah, that happened. Actually a perfect example of how all my microphone testings have gone and why we haven't had the microphone episode. I've mentioned it like 4 times. I don't even know if it's coming anymore. Just preparing for it has been a struggle. So, back to this thing. This is gonna take forever. Alright. It appears I have to take one of these things, put this pole in this hole. That's what she said. And this pole. Into this hole. Oh, that's easier. Oh, okay. Get in there. How in the world? Okay. Get in there. Let me put that in there. It's crooked. Get everything facing the right direction now. Ah! I don't think I broke it. Yes, I did. I can fix it with duct tape. Flirkin, flirkin, flirkin. Using Captain Marvel. That's how our first shelf is gone. What, do I just repeat that stupid process? Yeah, that's what I do. So, I wish they sent a practice shelf for that first one, because I feel like this one's going way better. Maybe. It might be going better. Let's try to straighten it out before we put it all together this time. Shall we? Okay. Ah! We did it! It's not ripped or nothing! Yay! I'll just gently toss that one. One pull. Two pulls. These are kind of hard. It's hard. Ah, I have done it again. You gotta like screw it. Screw it. I really hope that's not my screw it face. I almost had it and it fell out. That's what she said again. So after that first one, I'm excited for every single one. I'm doing good. It's 3 good ones now. 3-1 me. Hole in the hole. Hole in the hole. Hole in the hole. I'm gonna build this thing. And I'm not gonna ask my husband for help. I don't need to. I got this. You screw it. Life seems easier when you just pretend you're a drunk girl. What is happening? I still have 4 to go. It's officially 9:05, guys. I haven't spent any time with my husband today. I have to be up at 5 a.m. Babysit my niece before she gets on the bus. So, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna... Yeah, straight. Alright, I'm putting as I'm putting everything away, we are doing another giveaway, like I said in the beginning. So, if you want to be next time's winner, we have, let me back it up here, this tie-dye up for grabs. So, how you win this one is, I need you to go to the comment section below, tell me your most fabulous story of when you were fabulous, and whoever has the best story might win. Well, that doesn't seem fair. If you put in a story, I'll put your name in a bowl and I'll draw them out. Yeah, we'll do it that way. I'm new to all this. I just have stuff to get rid of. But for today, half my shoe rack's over there. The other half's right there. And we have the box of poles over there. So for tonight, that's what we're doing. Yep. Bye.